Okay, this is squirt to get the tail up, followed by a dump at about 300 feet due to an engine failure. So his tail's supposed to come up right here at the 1,000-foot threshold markers. It's not. Now. And then he's going to continue the takeoff roll all the way down to get himself off the runway, and then we're going to let him climb to 300 feet, and then we're going to call the dump. Just rolled off and quit. Fuel control unit failure. Dumping, dumping, dumping. Easing your power back to that zero thrust power setting. Flaps coming in, staying within 25 or so degrees of heading. Picking your best spot. Down to 50 feet. Taking it to 50 feet, slipping it if you need.